Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by getting files and mapping ready. Open your Excel, remove formulas and hidden rows, then save as XLSX or CSV so Tally reads it reliably. Create a clear mapping sheet that matches your Excel columns to Tally field names. This prevents mismatch errors during import. Once done, enable Tally odd/import features in Gateway of Tally and set company context. Make sure you have backup of the company data before proceeding to avoid irreversible. Now you configure the import and validate records. In Tally, go to Gateway of Tally, choose Import Data, and select Masters or Vouchers depending on content. Pick the file and set format options, then use the mapping screen to link each Excel column to a Tally field. Preview a few sample records and run validation to catch type mismatches, missing ledgers, or invalid dates. If errors appear, edit the Excel or mapping and revalidate until the preview shows clean, accurate records. Finish by executing the import and confirming results. Run the import and watch the process. After completion, open the import log to confirm successful records and note any line-specific failures. If lines failed, correct the Excel or mapping for those rows and re-import only the failed set. Don't re-import everything. Make sure to reconcile a few records in Tally to verify accuracy. If things go wrong, use your backup to restore and repeat the process in a test company to avoid live disruptions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.